None. When an irritant hits your airways, your brain quickly decides, should you cough or sneeze? It all starts with sensory neurons detecting the intruder. If it's in your lower respiratory tract, like smoke or dust, it triggers your vagus nerve and, achoo, oops, I mean cough. But if the irritant is in your nasal passages, think pollen or pepper, it activates your trigeminal nerve, leading to a sneeze. Your brainstem is the control tower here, specifically the medulla oblongata, which sends the right signal to expel the invader. So next time you cough or sneeze, remember, it's your brain protecting you, one reflex at a time. Fascinating, right? Hit that like button if you learned something new.